If you want to reclaim your system performance and free up maximum memory resources, you need to stop Microsoft from tracking your every move. Today on Tech Team, we are going to optimize your Windows 11 system by turning off secret background AI telemetry step by step. Let's make your PC fast again. First, let's open the main settings panel. Inside the main settings menu layout list, scroll down and click on the privacy and security tab. This is your system's core permission page. Let's start by stopping the background data tracking. Scroll down to the Windows permission section, click directly on Diagnostics and Feedback and find the Send Optional Diagnostic Data toggle switch. Click it to turn it completely off. This immediately stops your PC from sending your personal activity data to Microsoft servers. Next, let's clear out the background monitoring history. Go back one step to the main privacy menu and click directly on the activity history settings row. Move your cursor over to the checkbox labeled Store My Activity History on this device and click it to remove the checkmark completely. This forces Windows to stop recording your daily app usage and local work history. Give your computer a quick restart and your system will instantly run much faster with lower RAM usage. If this easy computer optimization guide helped you speed up your PC, please smash that like button and subscribe to Tech Team for more simple tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.